Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to motion blur in CapCut. So for this edit, already import one video which consists of a few collections of scenes like this. And to make the motion blur edit, you can just click on the video and then swipe until you find the motion blur options, this one. And then here you can just set the blur blend interlocking. I'm going to just set it into 70 and also the blend into 40, and the direction you can do which way, forward or backward or both. And also the times you can set it twice, 4 or 6 times. So I'm going to just choose 4, and when you're done, just click on a check icon and let CapCut apply the motion blur effect. So it might take a while, depends on how long your video, because the shorter it is, the quicker that motion blur applies. So you can just wait. I'm going to get back to you when it's done. Okay guys, so it's nearly done, and let's see how the motion blur will look like. Okay, so it's done, and here is the motion blur result. I'm going to, you can see it's, the motion blur will go like that. Okay, so that's basically all the motion blur effect in CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below, and don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.